end. Today, let's draw the cute magic dragon. First, draw the round head of the cute dragon. Put on a happy face.
Books and pencils, words to find. In every lesson, I open my mind.
Then, draw the bat
Teachers
body
show
and
a
limbs.
world so wide. In their guidance I confide. In classrooms bright, I start to see all the
Draw the belly
wonders I
again.
can be.
And then, we draw
Learning
the
is
oval
my
shape of
right
the
to
balloon.
grow. In every page and thought I know. Knowledge helps my dreams to show.
Now, let's start coloring.
With math and art, I
Start
find
with
my
warm yellow
way.
and light yellow. Color
New
the body
things to
of the magic
learn
dragon.
every day. With each word and every rhyme, I'll cherish learning all the time. The future shines with what I gain. In school's embrace I'll remain. Learning is my right to grow. In every page and thought I know. Knowledge helps my dreams to show. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
And then brown feed the paw.
Math and art, I find my way. New things to learn every day.
And then,
With each
color
word
the
and
eyes
every
and mouth
rhyme,
with dark green and
I'll
red.
cherish learning all the time. The future shines with what I gain. In school's
Finally,
embrace